Oh, it started instantly. Okay. Well, hello, everyone. I am Zachary TV and we're back with the Battle Cats. Yes, I'm trying to make an intro now. Hooray. Update happened, I think. So, let's see what's going on here first. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, is there a collab? Is that what's happening? Oh, there's a collab. Okay, that's what's happening. I want confirmation. Okay. So I get a free try at any of these. Alright, let's see what we get first gacha opening of the video. Just some XP. What is going on over here? Best of the best milestone edition. So let's see what's in here. Let's see. Let's look. Is it just limited Uber? Balrog is in here. Lesser Demon. Kasaji. Oh, it's all of the actually best Ubers. Hold on. Balrog, Kasajizo, hold on. Ooh. Okay. Miyamoto. Oh, are all just the legend rares in here? Just literally all of them? Yep, all of them. And then all of the regular guys. Alright, that's in there. And we have literally two of the worst other banners going on right now. I'm not even shitting. Like, half of these guys suck, and like one or two of these guys don't suck. So if I get anything, I'll go for best of the best. If I get any rares. But for now, Gamatoto. Alright, so we're probably gonna have to split today into two parts because there's quite a bit I want to do today. But after how I'm gonna be real, last time I recorded for like an hour, it didn't really go that great on the putting out the video wise because my phone just wasn't ready for that. So we're probably gonna split this into like two 30-minute parts. Alright, is there actually okay. Ooh, half XP cost. Oh yeah, I got an Uber last time. We're not uploading him yet, because we're not doing Cats of the Cosmos today. That's one of the things we're actually not doing. Okay, who did I want to level? Alright, I need a little more XP. I need a lot more items. Ugh. We're not doing Golden Tower, we're not doing Cats of the Cosmos. We're doing, I wanted to do some SOL today. Oh, and what was the other thing? Oh yeah, I want to, if they're still up, try my hand at some of the Advent stages that are up. And as you can see, I can't try Hanya again because he's not here. But you know who is? Baku, Dabu, and Queen Bee. Those Advent bosses are here. I wanted to do Baku, actually, today. So that's good. I want to at least do that. Because I think I can actually beat that one. Other than that, yeah, I'll do some of the growing stages off screen. But for today, I want to do some of this, some Seapool. This stage right here. Yeah, this subchapter's actually been pretty interesting. I like this level a lot. This level was really interesting. This was funny, but Benzene Field, I did not click on that. Oh, that was a mission. Oh. Okay. So, okay, I think I have the tools necessary to stop the boar. So basically, that level, it's kind of just basically there's this giant group of faces that are going to be in like the middle of the stage. It's just like this slowly moving group of faces. There's going to be a Randy off spawn. Okay, let's get some anti-red. There are a couple of people I specifically wanted to grab for this. Alright, let's find them. Oh, not Elemental Duelist, actually. Courier I like, and I like Row. Face. For freezing the boars. Row for tanking from the boars. And Rory to nuke and do very high DPS to the boars. Where's up? So yeah, I got 2 meat shields I'm gonna be spamming. Magicka will weaken them. Can and Courier do a lot of damage. And Can got that double money, so she gets the kill. Then that's extra good. Face will hopefully perma-freeze them. Sniper is Sniper. You already seen him. Row will stall. Rory will do big damage, and so will Bahamut. Bahamut's mainly for the Randy at the start, though. Alright, with this loadout, let's try Benzine Field. Okay. Alright, immediately here comes him. Here comes this annoying guy. Now he one-shots all of my erasers, which is quite annoying. I want Manic Eraser, damn it. I want some of the other craze stages I haven't beaten yet. Alright, here comes the Horde. Here comes the Horde. Okay. Literally can't do anything to it. Great to know. Okay. Courier is actually doing things. Okay, Magicka stays out of his range. Gets weakens on him. Because he's single target, it looks like. He is not single target. What was happening beforehand to him then? Oh, that was big damage. Good. I didn't bring any anti-floating because we actually don't want to kill that stack of faces. We don't. We actually want to keep that alive. Because the more of those die, the more boars spawn. When the boars start spawning after Randy dies here. Since we're pushing so hard, I kind of want to start saving and just growing my bank account. Perhaps lure him back. Here. Don't let him push too hard, but let him push enough, you know? So he's not like uber far back. And about his with the face wall. Alright. Randy's kind of being annoying, I'm not even gonna lie. I kind of hope he dies soon. Mainly for the money. I want the money that he drops. So I can get Rory and Row. Please die and drop big cash. Please. Okay, we're pushing into that too hard. This has not gone on. The fight with Randy has not gone on this long before. Alright, we've pushed into the stack of heads. I don't like this. I don't like how we've pushed into the stack of heads. I don't like being in the head stack. God, I'm not playing this stage very optimally. Alright. So let's save for a second. Let's... Ooh. Rory. Get Rory. Alright, we want her now. She's gonna do big damage against this guy. Now we want to start meat shielding. A lot. Now that is really important that we keep meat shielding. Because she's gonna do big damage to him. Basically, he just spawns infinitely. He's just gonna be here forever. We gotta start slowly killing boars, slowly killing a face. I don't like how all the faces are stacked. And perfectly in sync. Yeah, we're hitting the faces. I kinda don't want to be hitting the faces. Plonk. Can we get our first face out? Okay. Wow. No, Bahamut. Bahamut's killing them! Hope and pray. Hope and pray. We killed the entire stack. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, boys. Oh, I didn't mean to. We're killing them. Okay, please kill them. Oh my god. I didn't mean to. I genuinely, I did not mean to. I did not want to do that. Do you see why I didn't want to kill the faces now? Do you see why I did not want to kill those stupid faces? You know, I was kind of hoping I'm beating this level today. I need, like, some knockback units. You know what? I'm gonna continue free with the ad. I've learned to do this. And boom. I watched the ad, and like, good. I probably should have timed Bahamut better. Why did it drop on Bahamut? Wow, he just dies instantly to the stack. Yeah, I did not want to waste cat food on a retry when I'm most likely just gonna die, because there's way too many boars. Which is why we kind of want to kill, you know, one at once. So I was too reckless, and thus we are dead. So I like how they're spawning squirrels instead of boars at this point. Oh. Okay, oh, there's one less boar. Killing them. Hold on. One more continue. I gotta use cat food this time, sucks. But we killed every boar that they had. We killed their entire army of boars. They ran out of boars to send at me. That is not how you're supposed to beat this stage. I don't think. I don't think you're supposed to kill all the boars at once and then just use 2 continues to murder all of them. But whatever, I beat the stage. Whatever gets me to my goal of beating this sub-chapter in this recording. We're already halfway through how long the recording's supposed to be. Oh, jeez. Alright, benzene field beaten. Oh, that's nice. That's some nice rewards. Now, I wish I had some cat fruit, but I kind of wasted it in a former review. What is this? Okay. I doubt it's going to be red. Here's my guess. traitless. Huge evil traitless stage. How much XP is it to upgrade you? Oh yeah, I'll get you. Oh, you have a true form? I'm not getting 3 yellow cat fruit. That's not golden cat fruit, right? That's 3 yellow cat fruit and 6 epic. Yeah, no thanks. No thanks, I'm good. But I'm assuming this is going to be a hard traitless stage. So I don't need you anymore probably, and I don't need you anymore probably. So let's replace them with who do I want bring? Octo. Let's just pick the normal ones. Octo, Fishman. Let's go Octo, Fishman. They're just generally good. Alright, this is probably the last level of the subchapter. Probably. Oh, do I want to bring Castaway on a future attempt? I think I might want to bring Castaway on a future attempt. Oh, yeah. Nice double money. I'm gonna put out some meat shields and my weakener. Also, I might want to... What does Magicka turn into? If I'm not mistaken, they turn into Thaumaturge? So I might want to check out that. I just... Holy fuck. I get why they call this level Government Watchdog now. I was so kind of half right. I was half right. Truth. Oh, what? Stop. What am I supposed to do about this? What do I do? What do you want me to do about this? I don't understand. What? Okay, Can's basically useless right now because they're just slapping the Metal Doge. Courier is actually kind of carrying. But they touch my base and it explodes! I only get 1 continue. Why did that just airdrop onto what I had already gotten? What the fuck? Oh, that was a good one. Oh, yes. Bahamut. Go. Okay. We're gonna need a critter. We're gonna need Nanaho. Okay. Kill the Metal Doge, and I think we're good. Alright, yeah, Nanaho required. Gotcha. Alright. Let me go grab that. I'll, see you guys when I do... Oh, hold on. Oh, cool. Not neat. Hey, let me build my lineup real quick. Alright, and, yeah, you see that? I just skipped straight to the battle. Yep. Alright, I brought Catasaurus, Castaway, and Nanaho now. So we should be fine. Alright. Can. Crit. Yo! That was sick. Oh my god, that was so sick. That was so cool. It was so cool, Nanaho. Keep doing that, yes. Keep critting, just everything. Castaway, go. Help. Castaway, just go do your thing. They are pushing us still, though. I'm noticing that all of my units I send out are getting absolutely fucking murdered. I'm constantly sending stuff out, but I'm constantly also never having anything on the field. Which implies that they just delete it too fast. And I just realized I unplugged my mic. Well, my headset, my gaming headset that I'm using to do this. What am I supposed to do here? Am I supposed to one-shot the base? How much base health did that have? Hold on. How much base health does that have? Okay, way too much to one-shot. What am I supposed to do? Hold on, let me watch an ad to recover energy. Cooked, just as I remember my ads being. Alright, so what do I do about that? Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, that's just too oppressive of a threat. Hold on, I have an idea. Hold on, I'll unpause when I get back. Half an hour later. This is what I've been doing off camera. It's been half an hour. I wanted to grind the cat fruit to get this guy. Green. The green cat fruit sage, fun fact, took me like way too many attempts. And I didn't even get it. I got from the cat capsules. By the way, I'm instantly just grabbing defense buff because I'm using this man as a one-man meat shield. That is right. That is my plan. He's coming into my lineup. Over erasers. Over the erasers. So that I can also grab you. Now, page ones. Alright, I still want Nanaho for critter purposes. I want to keep Can. I like this page 1. I'm completely fine with this being page 1. Page 2. Yeah, I just need like some long range like attackers. And like a lot of them. Some like good LD. Good LD. Where is my good LD? I'm gonna be completely real. I feel like Castaway in this lineup is pretty damn unnecessary. Oh, the king of long range. First of all, I don't feel like I need him. I feel like this is good. I feel like this lineup is good. This is what will buy me to success. As well as this. My last cat CPU. As well as a rich cat. And sniper. You can never be too sure when you might want a sniper. And I have way too many of them. Also, this isn't even the last stage, I don't think. I just counted, there's 7. So, this is the 7th. Oh, you're on immediately. Battle items also aren't used if you... Okay. Well, we're resetting because cat CPU is on. And we don't want that. We want to basically just wait until max money. So, Jiangxi, you're good at that. 2 Jiangxis. Look at this. And the first cyborg. 3 Jiangxis and a cyborg. Alright. Alright, you. And now, just do that. Yes. Alright, and now we sit here and we let the cat CPU work its magic. And hopefully, if I did everything right, this should work. And yeah, we should all be like happy and stuff. I am hoping. I feel like it's gonna stop eventually, right? The constant just stream of them. Or at least they're gonna be in like less numbers eventually. I feel like. I hope. I pray. Fire the Thunderbolt. Yay. I'm gonna switch back to regular Cat Cannon. I feel like regular Cat Cannon is just the best. I was so right. Oh, the numbers are dying. How the hell was he that far behind base? Oh yeah, their numbers absolutely tanked. Look at how fast that piece is dying. Oh, that's good. Alright. Government watchdog. Final stage. Revolving door flow. Wait, I remember looking up this stage. This is the one that has Berserk Quarry and regular Quarry, right? This is the Berserk Quarry stage. Alright, so I need you. You are a must-have. First of all. Second of all, I'd like my individual meat shields back. So you can leave. And you can... Where is he? You can leave Paris. Or Cyborg. Alright, there's my meat shields. Back. Alright. Now, we're gonna want... Well, Kankin and Courier, mainly. Namely these two. Honestly, the only thing I'm really gonna change is... You are good for just being able to sit behind and tank. Well, not tank. Sit behind and do a bunch of damage. It's like Paris, but kinda better. Oh, ew. Courier, do your courier thing to him. Courier, this creature. Courier the creature. Courier it. Courier, help me. King gets one shot by him. Is he single target though? We'll see. He is single target and high crit chance. Okay, so he's like meat shield check. Okay, and Corey is like octo check. Oh hey, I've seen a clip of this stage before, I feel like. Hey, Octo's coming. Alright, so, okay, Cappy is single target, though. I like that. I like that thing. Yeah, the reason why they're shouting Cappy and Corey at me is because Berserk Corey is the main guy of this stage, and he's both of them combined. He's Corey with the wave and also red. Like Cappy. Oh, here he comes. Bro, what the fuck? Huh. Okay, your wave is nothing to me. But the fucking stupid Brawlos. Oh my god. Those dumbass birds are the bane of my fucking existence. Holy shit, I hate these birds. How many of them spawn? Are all of them already out? Okay, I think all of them are dead. I think that's all of them, and they are all dead. Alright, we got a bunch of... Oh, please, no more Brawlos. Stop it with the Brawlos. Oh, Berserk. Okay. That level was much easier, I feel like. That level was weirdly easy. Compared, and like less strategy-ful than the last few. Okay. Okay. I mean, shit, I guess. I'll take a victor. Damn, and I'll take those rewards any day of the week. Alright, that's the end of that subchapter. That is Sea Polluter. Completed. That's the last 3 stages of Sea Polluter. Alright. I know Weak and Mildly Acidic, which is coming up, is the Mina subchapter, so we got some good stuff ahead of us for SOL. But that is going to be it for this part. I'm going to record a second part, like, immediately after this of, like, some Advent bosses. So be ready for that when it drops. I actually might drop these at the same time. We'll see. But that's going to be it for now. Goodbye.